a good one. Oh my Lord, there's a big one. There is a stud. Oh man. Good afternoon, folks. It's another beautiful Thursday morning out here on the Ross Barnett Reservoir, way up the river. It's the first week of May. Seems like the fish have done spawning. We're in that post-spawn period. The water's in the upper 60s, low 70s. They're moving out in a little bit deeper water, you know, up under them cypress trees, looking for shad or brim, just kind of cruising around. And the best thing I know to do to get your bait, you know, to skip up under them trees is throw that little skinny buzz. I love that thing. It skips like a dream. So anyway, if you like the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. And stay tuned till the end to see what happens. Tight lines. Man, looks like we're gonna get in here. We're gonna get in here. Lord have mercy. No. Oh my Lord, I'm gonna get in here. All right, we're in. Yes, we're fixing to whack them. Oh, there's another one. Man, they're stacked up in here. They just, no size to them. Go find your mama. Whew. The river's falling quick. I gotta get out of here, or I'm gonna get stuck. I'll have to call somebody like the Ghostbusters. Go right at the boat, baby. That's a good one. Ow! That's a whole spotted bass there. Don't catch many of them on a buzz bait. See that patch of teeth on his tongue? I love them fish. See you later, buddy. there's one. There's one. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, it's a good one. That's a good one. Couldn't take that old skinny toad. Good 2 1/4. See you later, buddy. Solid tournament fish. Man, he ain't biting in there, dude. There he is. Oh man, it's a daggone grinnell. Whole grinnell. What am I gonna do with this? That sucker's gonna root. Ooh, thank you, Lord. Oh, he busted my buzzbait. Look at that. He tore it in half. That's why you need 2. Ow! Golly, that was a good one. He come back and hit it. He come back and hit it. It was just a little fella, I reckon. Had to break out another buzzbait. The other one tore it up. That grinnell tore it up. Oh, it's snowing in May. Snowing in May. First we had to deal with the pollen, second we had to deal with the fuzzy worms, and now we're dealing with the cotton balls. Oh, there's a good one. Oh my Lord, there's a big one. There is a stud. Oh man. Oh yeah, baby. There's a hammer on a skinny buzz. Golly, what a fish. Man, I'd say he's pushing 5. Dadgum, he got it in there. There you go. Man, what a fish. There's a 5. All right, folks, let's take a look at this one. Take a look at that one. I'd say he's 4 3/4. He ain't quite 5 yet, but I tell you what, that is a hammer right there on that old skinny buzz, just skipping up under these trees. All right, folks, let's let this guy go. See you later, buddy. Oh, that sucker came from 4 feet away. Golly, he wanted that dang skinny toad. He come from like 4 foot away. He don't get no better than that. Oh man, I tell you what, I'm gonna end the day on that one. He come from like 4 feet and just annihilated that thing. I sat there and watched him hit it. See you later, buddy. All right, folks, that wraps up another fun day out on the Ross Barnett Reservoir. It's the end of May, and as you can tell, I mean, I love throwing a buzz bait. As long as they're biting it, I mean, I'm not going to put it down. It's a big fish bait, just kind of like a jig. You know, some days you're going to get tons of bite on it. Some days you're going to get a few bites on it, but if you just keep it in your hand most of the day, you usually come out with a pretty good bag of fish. Now, obviously, if it's like, you know, post frontal right after a cold front, you may have to slow down and throw something else. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a tip on how to make your buzzbait squeal right out of the pack. I mean, I just took this one out of the pack. It's brand new. Basically, what I do is I take some sort of file, and you know, whether it be a fingernail file or just a regular file, and I'll go between the rivet and the I don't know if you can see that, the rivet and the blade, and I'll rough it up all the way around it pretty good with a pretty good file, and basically that keeps you from having to hang your buzzbait, you know, on your truck antenna going down the highway. You know, the problem with that is by the time you get to the lake, you've done reamed out the blade, and it won't take no time for the blade to break. So that's my little tip for making your buzzbait squeak right out of the pack. Well, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope, you know, I really appreciate that y'all watching the video. If you don't mind, hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. And I appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys out on the water. Tight lines. You're the best. Nothing's ever gonna keep you down. You're the best. Nothing's ever gonna keep you down.